Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your account type because setup differs slightly for work versus personal profiles. Once installed, open Teams and sign in with your email. Make sure to accept permissions for camera and mic. You'll test devices in settings, devices so audio and video work in calls. If you prefer the web app, use Teams, Microsoft, Com, and sign in the same way. These first steps get you into the workspace quickly, and they prevent basic audio or camera delays later. Once inside, learn the navigation. Activity, chat, Teams, calendar, and calls. Use them to move fast. Open Calendar to join meetings or click a join link from chat. Choose your camera and mic options before entering and select background blur if needed. To collaborate, open a team, create a channel, then post a message and mention people with @ to notify them. Make sure to pin important chats and use the search bar to find messages or files quickly while you work. To finish, set your presence and notification preferences so you control interruptions. Change status from available to do not disturb when focused. During meetings, use share tray to present your screen or specific windows, and use participant controls to mute others or change roles. If something goes wrong, audio, video, or loading, restart the Teams app, confirm your network is stable, and clear the Teams cache or sign out and back in. That troubleshooting sequence resolves most issues swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.